Hello everyone, I'm doing another modification to my 2025 Lowrider ST, and this time I'll be installing the Muller Power Clutch 2.0. As many of you know, there are a number of ways to decrease the pull weight of your clutch. The Muller Power Clutch being one of those ways. I've done other methods on my prior bikes. I've installed a Recluse Torx pack with lighter springs, and with great success that also lowered the weight of the clutch pull. But I wanted to try something different this time by using the Muller Power Clutch. I've heard a number of great things about the Muller Power Clutch, and this is the 2.0 version. Some of you may know that the first version, I guess the 1.0 that they really just called the Power Clutch, there were some reviews that, although some people said it was great, there were other people that said that it was difficult to adjust the clutch properly, and sometimes it would come out of adjustment. However, when it was in adjustment, it worked very well. Now, the 2.0 Muller Power Clutch has addressed those issues. I actually reached out and emailed Muller in Germany, and this is how they responded. Apparently, they've adjusted the positions of the ramps that the balls in the clutch roll on, and also now included a different cable, clutch cable adjustment, more reminiscent from the older Harleys, where they had the screw adjustment as opposed to the spring adjustment in the current Harleys. And apparently that has solved a number of the problems. Now, just to give you an idea of the clutch pull weights, the pull weight on my 2011 Crossbones you see here is about 11-12 pounds. When we move over to my Lowrider ST, that pull weight is significantly greater. You can see here it goes up to about 17 pounds. Now, 17 pounds isn't a whole lot if you're just doing it occasionally, using your clutch hand to pull it in. But after a while, let's say you're stuck in traffic or doing a lot of low-speed maneuvering where you're constantly in the friction zone of the clutch, that does cause a lot of hand fatigue and gets to be even a little bit painful. So I decided to do the measurement. It's understood that the clutch pull would be higher in my Lowrider ST because the torque is actually higher. In my 2011 Crossbones, the torque developed is just around 90 foot-pounds, and then in the Lowrider ST, it's about 120 something, so significantly more. So what I'm doing here is I'm beginning the install of my Muller 2.0 Power Clutch. Again, this won't be an install video. However, I will link the install video from the Muller website. So this is just a brief overview of the steps that I went through in putting together and installing the Muller Power Clutch. Now, something to note, in these new 2025 Lowrider ST, the gasket for the side transmission cover is completely different from the previous year, and I had my dealer actually didn't know that was the case, and I had purchased the wrong gasket, so I had to reuse the same gasket, and at this point I'm hoping it doesn't leak, but if it does, I'll just have the dealer replace it and swap that in. But enjoy this quick overview of the installation, and at the end I'll wrap up and let you know what I think of the install and how it worked. Alright, so here are the final results after the install. You can see here that as I go through the pull weight, it maxes out at around 12, maybe 13 pounds. It was a significant difference and much easier to pull in the clutch. I also test rode the bike up and down the street and shifted through the gears, and it all shifted and worked perfectly. So do I recommend this modification? Absolutely. I find right now, initial install, that the install was fairly easy, and it significantly reduces the pull weight of the clutch. If this is something you're interested in, I again highly recommend it. And thanks for watching. You all have a great day.